Research complete.
Hello friends, my name is Pradeep Kumar. Let's start a new tutorial about C#.NET drawing. This is tutorial number 7, how to convert string to int. How we can do this? Now what you do, let's take example. First I meant here text post drag here. I meant here two text for adding the two value and one is result. Okay. Yes, now click to this, select all and let's click to font, increase the size. I meant here 20. Okay, now what you do, let's drag label, again label, yes, 1 now click to this one. Let's select three labels. Now increase the size. I meant here 14. Okay, now click to this one. Let's amend here number 1, go to text, where is text? Yes, label 1, right? I'm entering here value 1. Okay, click to this one, value 2, value 2. Okay, this is result, value 1 plus value 2. Okay, this is simple label. Okay, now click to this one and you see this is the text box 1, this is text box 2 and this is text box 3. Okay, now let's change the tag, and the tag name is text box. Right now I went here VL1 means value 1 and VL2 means value 2, and right now I meant here result. Okay, res. Okay, res means result. Done. And let's create a one button for result. Now click and let's enter here result button. Okay, this is your result button. Now go to text and let's change the label. Right now I meant here show result. Okay, and now go to font. Let's amend here 14. Yes, now what we do, double click to show result and you need to enter from here. Right now what we do, let's amend here int a, okay, int b and int result, result. Okay, this is our variables. Now first let's what we do, store the value a equal to value 1. This is value 1 dot text. Okay, now you see show error, and the error is conversion. This is convert type string to int. Okay, because this one is your string data type, value 1 dot text is string. Now when you click to this one is your string data type. Okay, and a is your integer, that's why it show error. Now you need to convert into integer. How you can do this? You need to enter like enter here conversion. Okay, convert dot to int 32. Let I'm select to int 32 and brackets, and you need to enter this string into brackets. Now this string convert into integer. Okay, done. Yes. Okay, now let's change int 32. Okay, I'm enter here int 32. Same this one, int 32, and this one also int 32. Yes, now a is your int 32 and this is string value convert into integer, and this is integer 32. Now same, you need to enter variable 2, click, and I'm at here convert dot to string, sorry, integer, not string, to int 32, brackets, enter value 2, this is your value 2, and dot text. Okay, and value dot text is your string data type, and help of conversion, you convert string into integer 32. Okay, and the value stored in b. Right now we need to add a value, and I'm in here result your integer, result equal to a plus b, like this. Okay, and I want to show the result in our this text. Okay, value dot value 2, and the tag is res. Now what you do, let's amend here res, okay, dot text equal to result. Okay, and in the result value a plus b. Okay, and the a plus value store in result, and result value show in res dot text result, like this. Right now it's the integer and to string. Okay, because result is your integer value and res dot text is string. Now what you do, you need to change convert, okay, convert dot to string, like you need to enter to string, okay, brackets, like this one. Okay, in the output you need to save data into string format. Now what we do, let's click to start and see the result. Okay, now I'm enter here 10, and here 20, and click to show result, and you see the result is 30. Okay, it's working amazing. Okay, in this topic we covered the string into integer and integer into string. Both topics are covered in this topic. Okay guys, thank you so much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much guys.